Hello bird. 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 Hello bird.
That's why he's smelling your finger. Just let him smell. He loves you so much, Ryan. He won't let nobody else touch him but you.
Hello bird. Hello bird. Hello bird. Hello bird.
You want to let Jason do that. I've touched noses with Jason, but that's it.
Hello bird.
Just hold still. Hold still. Pretty soon you'll be able to hold him. He's just nervous. Put your face up there. Pretty bird. Gosh, Ryan, he loves you.
Hello bird. Hello bird. Hello bird.
So he likes human attention because he won't let nobody else touch him. Hear him singing.
Hello bird. Hello bird.
Silly bird, silly bird, 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 bird.
Hello bird.
Can't believe that you pet him and everything. Gosh.
Hello bird.
Hold your hand out flat so you can he'll crawl on it. Doesn't sound like he's saying silly bird, silly bird.
I'm fine.
Give him a kiss goodbye.
Bye bye bird. Bye bye bird.